Thinking about setting up solar panels at your place? It's a cool way to cut down on your electric bills and do a solid for the environment, but the process isn't just slap some panels on the roof and call it a day. First up, you'll usually start with a quote that sometimes comes from satellite pictures. Yeah, they look at your roof online to get a rough idea. Then, someone will swing by in person to measure everything up so they can give you a super accurate price. After that, you gotta get permits approved by your city or county, which can feel like a bit of a hassle but is totally necessary to keep things legal and safe. Once those are sorted, the company orders all the gear, panels, inverters, wiring, and all that jazz. Installation itself usually takes a few days but can stretch longer if your roof's tricky or if weather isn't cooperating. After everything is installed, there's typically an inspection and final approval before you can start soaking up those solar savings. It's smart to ask about warranties and maintenance tips so you don't get stuck with surprises later on. One of the biggest screw-ups people make when getting solar panels is skipping the research phase, like not checking if their roof actually gets enough sun or if it needs repairs before installation. Fix that by getting a professional assessment first to avoid wasted cash. Another common issue is underestimating how long the permitting process takes. It can drag on for weeks or months, so plan ahead and don't expect instant setup. Lastly, some folks choose the cheapest contractor without checking reviews or licenses, which can lead to shoddy work or delays. Always vet your installer thoroughly to save headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making sure you don't have to guess who to trust. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors looking to find real work with people ready to upgrade their homes.